If you're getting an error like this file does not have an app associated with it for performing this action. Or if your Win-Shift-S shortcut isn't working, this video will show you several ways to fix the problem in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's get started. Method 1. Check if Snipping Tool is installed. First, let's make sure the Snipping Tool is actually installed. Press Windows R to open the Run dialog. Type Snipping Tool and press Enter. If the Snipping Tool opens, move on to the next method. If Windows says it can't find the application, you'll need to reinstall the Snipping Tool, which we'll cover later in this video. Method 2. Restart Windows Explorer. Sometimes the screenshot shortcut stops working because Windows Explorer has become unresponsive. Here's how to restart it. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Scroll down and locate Windows Explorer. Right-click Windows Explorer. Select Restart. After Windows Explorer reloads, press Windows Shift-S and check if the screenshot tool is working again. Method 3. Repair or reset Snipping Tool. If restarting Windows Explorer didn't help, try repairing the Snipping Tool. Open Settings. Go to Apps. Select Installed Apps. Search for Snipping Tool. Click the three dots next to it and choose Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Repair. Wait for the process to complete. Now test Windows Shift-S again. If the issue still persists, return to the same Advanced Options page. Click Reset. Confirm the reset. This restores the app to its default state without affecting Windows. Method 4. Uninstall Snipping Tool. If repairing or resetting doesn't solve the problem, uninstalling the Snipping Tool is the next step. Scroll down and choose Uninstall. Confirm the removal. Method 5. Download and install a new Snipping Tool. Open the Microsoft Store. Search for Snipping Tool. Click Install. Wait for the installation to finish. Once installed, restart your computer and press Windows Shift-S to verify the shortcut is working. One of these methods should resolve the ms-screenclip or Win-Shift-S not working error. If you're still seeing an error like Windows cannot find snippingtool.exe or ms-screenclip // source equals HotKey, let me know in the comments along with your Windows version, and I'll help you troubleshoot it further. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.